Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's MagZz here. Sun is shining. Today's video is not so much a sun shining video. So yesterday something happened and I need to go and get something for the car to fix it up. Fix it up, repair it, clean it up is the hint I'm going to go. So we're actually going to drive down to Halfords now, pick up said item and then carry on with the video. So this is an emergency video. We wasn't supposed to have this planned this soon or even at all, but something has popped up which I'll describe later. It's not great, but unfortunately it happened, so we've got to get on with it. We've got to get something done. So on to Halfords to collect something, hint, for what's going to happen. So stay tuned for more. We are here, as you can see. There's little orange doors. We're actually at Halfords. We're just going to go in and collect our items. So catch you soon. That's it. Items collected. Items. I actually bought a extension lead, like a wind-up one. It's a 15-meter one, so I can actually reach what I'm doing. That's a hint there. So we're at Halfords now. We're going to head back, and then we're going to get everything sorted. Unboxing. Yeah, we'll do an unboxing, and then we'll do a test. So yeah, stay tuned. Extension lead is the hint. Okay, enough with the teasing. Here we go. We got a Karcher WD3. I'm not sure if this is going to be perfect for what the job needs to be done. It has got the vacuum in wet and dry, which is what we want. Wet and dry vacuum is what we need. So, to put it into context, what happened is we need one of these for any reason. Now, the reason is my son was sick in the car yesterday. I don't have a wet and dry. I got a sponge and a bucket and it's a cloth and a bucket and got as much as it off as we could. It is better than it was, but it's not great. So we're going to go out and try and use this. We're going to do a little unboxing, see the parts we've got, and then we're going to go and clean the rear seats because it got everywhere. It got on the back of the passenger seat. It was all over his seat, all over the seat next to him. So I'm going to do the rear row, the floor, and the back of the seat today. And then obviously maybe tomorrow I might get the whole car done because it seems silly. I've only got time today to probably do the back, but we'll see how it goes. Obviously, we're going to do a box opening. So, first ever box opening on the channel. Actually, that's a lie. We did the camera, but... Okay, so it's quite compact in there. We have a Hoover bag for the Hoover part of the system. We've got... Okay, we've got the unit itself, which is refusing to come out of the box. There we go. The unit itself, we've got the hose, and we've got a few parts for extending, another extender, the wet and dry bit, and the nozzly bit. It's more of a Hoover than anything. There it is, but it can do water, so that's the big positive. Okay, prepare to be surprised because I opened it up and there's way more parts in here. We've got like a Hoovery one, like a standard Hoover set. We've got brushes. We've got clips. We've got corner pieces. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. We've got the wheels and we've got the brush head. And another one of these, slightly different shape, which is actually kind of cool. And obviously you've got the filter. It's pretty good. So I'm going to put it all together and then we're going to take it outside, extend it up to the extension lead, and then we'll go from there. Obviously put the wheels on first. Step by step, it slowly goes together. There are the wheels, and now we can spin it around and do this. It's pretty cool. We're going to get it through. I'm going to put all the parts in the box for now. And then obviously, because I'm only going to need this one and possibly either this long one or the slightly shorter one. I'm probably only going to need those three for now, as obviously it's not big work, it's very small, tight, delicate work, so that's what that is. Hello from the car. We're in. We've got the Hoover. So it is literally as simple as, with this Hoover, all you got to do is turn it on and it sucks it up. It's not quite a wet and dry. It will squirt the water out and do it all that way. If you want to get the most out of it, you're going to have to bring a bucket in and then use the bucket to fill up, clean, wash, wet down the car, and then obviously then use the hoover itself to suck the water up. It is fine with sucking the water up, it just doesn't have a kind of hose to like squirt it out with, but it's fine to suck it in. So I'm going to get some footage, clean the car up. This is going to be quite more hoovering than wet and drying, but footage still stands, still does the job, it still cleans the car, so that's the main important point. And just like that, the car is 10 times better. It's crazy what a quick little vacuum can do. It's same with like an external wash. A quick little external wash can completely transform the car. As you can see, as the sun is going down on this beautiful British day. Look at that sunshine. But hopefully everyone has enjoyed this. I don't know what the word would be, like not like a surprising video, but hopefully everyone has enjoyed today's content, and I'll catch you on another stream or video sometime soon. Peace.